Wow. How we doing? You ran over me?
Yeah.
Don't run over me.
Oh, Frank, no.
There's a what?
There's a bee.
Oh.
Whatever the size, whatever the suit, I can make it fit, so can you.
And hello, Momma O fans. Getting ready for the morning, and what have we got in here? Getting ready to watch the TV, got it all set up. Let's see what today brings. Okay, we gotta get ready to go. Watching some kind of game here, huh? There's Ender getting ready to go. We gotta feed them and get out of the house. These guys are going to Lake Powell. Well, their parents.
Oh, yeah. I was gonna ask if you could help us find a kid.
Yeah, good luck. Mom's a good hider. Whenever we find them, she hides them.
Run, and we tried to follow it.
Well, they run away from the babies because they know we'll follow her. Oh, and what a pretty day today, too. Did they lock it? Uh-oh, now you got to go all the way around, huh? Okay, we've got to be out of here in 1 hour. And the kids are playing. I said, you guys got to get your bags. We got to go. We got to pack it up. They don't want to leave. They want to just stay here and play. We have arrived. Now we just got to unload everything. EB, let him out. All right, let's see if we can unload stuff. We're all settled in. Davey's getting ready to pack up, getting loaded up. And Evie's doing her dance, practicing her dance. And they have just left. They're going with
Grandma, is it done?
they're the lady that designed this ring for me. Whoa. Okay, now Frankie. Oh, there, good. Ambry wants to make deviled eggs really bad, so we've got 12 eggs in here. Okay, go. That's usually what happens. People are on the phone and they fall off a cliff. Oh, look at these deviled eggs going, and Ambry put it in a bag and squeezed them out. How do you know how to do that, huh? They're very delicious. Good job.
Basic principle that I live by.
While he eats his Lucky Charms.
Hard work hardly works when workers hardly work hard. But hard work hardly gets done when hard workers are hardly working at all.
I like that. Wow. That is scary. Is this one that you used to perform in or that you're going to perform in?
I used to.
Used to. Wow. That's awesome. Wow, impressive. Very good.
Back in my
You're just making this up? Our zones done and get our chores done. If you don't know what zones are, Frankie's helping. Go to Cornbellies, home family, home evening, and then bed.
Close this?
Yeah, close it up. Put the soap.
I don't know.
Yeah, soap's in. Okay. Okay, now close the door. Okay, we're getting our zones done, getting the kitchen cleaned up.
Done.
Did you push play? I mean, push play. Push start?
Okay.
That one ends it. Yeah, that one. Since this is a holiday, we're going to go to
Greenberry.
the Cornbellies. That's right. The flower.
I found it with the gal.
Ambry and Daisy loading up some water and a wagon to pull Frankie around in. We are at Cornbellies, the sunflower maze. Oh boy, it is really hot. We'll see how long we last. I found a shady spot. The kids are in a maze in there.
Grandma?
What? Is that EB?
Mama?
Did you make it out?
Yeah.
Okay. That would drive me crazy to go in there. But kids love it. Where are you?
Look at my fingers.
I see your fingers. You could see me? I could see
I saw
Evie.
your camera hanging
I
down.
saw Evie. Yeah. I could hear you. It's not a very big. Good job. Good job.
Get out.
Good job. That is hard.
Go down that side hole.
Oh, look at this tractor. Vroom, vroom.
I hit you.
Oh, how fun is that? Oh, man. You ran over me?
Yeah.
Don't run over me. Caution, it is hot. Crank, push me and crank me up. This is how you used to start your cars up. Who remembers that? Oh boy, this is an old tractor. Woohoo! Woohoo! Frankie, where are you going? You gonna sit right there? We are riding on the wagon. We got me, Daisy, and Frankie. Ender's out in the corn maze. We may never see him again. Okay, go ahead. We got the wind. Ender, you on the other side there?
Mama, it doesn't cost any purchase.
I know, isn't that nice?
Hey, there's no more.
Come on, where's the bubbles? Let's see a bubble. Ender got a bubble? There we go. And there's Frankie's name. Joe Love Rosie. Oh, you got a game of chess going here, huh? Or checkers?
Do not jump behind me.
You went potty and you think you get a treat, huh?
Wait, how much are these?
Are these real eggs? Okay. Yeah, it's not very long. You guys all in there? This is all Frankie wanted to do, the bee train.
Frankie.
To be or not to be. In, I barely fit. Oh my gosh, here we go. This is very bumpy ride. Yeah, grab a sunflower on your way. Here we go, it's a bit dusty. Oh, there's a happy sunflower. How we doing back there?
I don't want to lose my
There, clip. Woo, here we go. Oh my goodness, it's a bumpy ride. It is very dusty.
I'm lucky, I can fit.
You go down there? Okay. Oh. Each train has a name of each car. And Ender's is Ruby. That's my mom's name, Ruby. Yours is Betsy. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Here we go. That lady's a crazy driver. Oh. That is a bumpy ride. Oh. My goodness, oh, there's a bee. There's a bee in here. Oh, goodness sakes. How we doing? Bye. There we go. Okay, it's coming back. Me and Ender didn't want to go again. Where are they? Right there. On the very back. Okay, we're getting our vase of flowers. Got your clippers? Ender, you got one? We're out here clipping the flowers. Oh, that's a good one. Is it fun?
Oh, Frank, no.
There's a what?
There's a bee.
Oh, see if he'll scooch off. Oh, here we go. Fill her up with water now. Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, got our flowers, Frankie and Ambry.
Put my sock in my shoe.
Okay, Evie and Ender are in the corn while we go get donuts. We have got our donuts. Donuts and jump in the corn for a bit. Okay, there's blueberries, pumpkin, apple. That one's pumpkin.
Pumpkin apple. Is this pumpkin apple?
This is blueberry, pumpkin.
Actually tastes really good.
Yeah, the pumpkins I think are the best.
Blueberry.
Blueberry,
Oh, you're
apple.
covered in dust.
Look like a little orphan boy. He'd be sitting in the corn eating a donut. You took the last pumpkin. I got 2 blueberries, 2 apples, and apple cider, and 2 pumpkins. Daisy's in now. The flowers look so pretty. That noodle over there. Here they come. Oh, having too much fun and it's too hot. Playing a game called Catch the Corn. Now they're dumping it on each other's heads. Sun is setting in the west. Isn't that pretty? There's the sun setting. It's pretty cool. You feel sick? I'm watching. Whoa. Wants to walk on the rocks. It takes longer. Gotta walk it on the rockets. Got the big bubble going. It's about 7 o'clock in the evening. It's starting to feel a lot better, not quite so hot here. We have just been sweating, but the kids are having fun. We gotta get our money's worth. Well, April bought season passes. Fun, fun. You think this maze is easy? You can't make any left-hand turns. So let's go. Uh-oh, I'm lost again. Can you see the moon? Pretty mountains. Evie's helping Frankie get up. Ouch, on those rocks. Ride the rope worm. Be careful, Evie. He wants to get off. He steps on her back. That's cute. Ah, here's our corn. Got on here. What did you say about it?
For the size, whatever the suit, I can make it fit, so can you.
Whatever the size, whatever the suit, I can make it fit, so can you.
Wait, no, you.
Well, it's got to rhyme with suit. And it's cute. Zaid got answered back for his homecoming. She sent a pinata and just cute little letter back saying yes. Oh, that was a fun day. We really had fun over at the sunflower place. Well, the quote of the day is, forgiveness is not something we do for other people. We do it for ourselves to get well and move on. So true. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Remember, look for that rose, and let's see what tomorrow brings. Thank you, and good night.
My family is forever, and I love them. I'm proud to say that they're all my best friends. We'd sleep out in the treehouse, or just plain having fun, or lying in the tall grass in the sun. We'd play a game called Kick the Can. It was our favorite. Oh, I remember it. Whoa, hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. Childhood days are the best I know, and the juice ran away with the spoon. Nana, Billy Goat can catch me. When we were kids, we were happy and free. We ate green apples and we stole a lot of peas. I'll always remember times like these. Sometimes we go over to the creek land and swing are the best I know, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Nana, Billy Goat can catch me. When we were kids, we were happy and free. We ate green apples and we stole a lot of peas. I'll always remember times like these. Nana, Billy Goat can catch me. When we were kids, we were happy and free. We ate green apples and we stole a lot of peas. I'll always remember times like these. Na 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 na.
My hands were filled with dirt when I was a little girl. Turned on the water spout, nothing didn't come out. Mama quickly walked in, looked at her and I grinned. I said, don't worry, Mom, 'cause Daddy can fix it. Daddy, you can do anything you're the king. You can fly, you can swing me way up high. You can conquer the world with your smile. Yes, you can. No matter what goes wrong, I'm never alone. 'Cause Daddy can fix it. I slipped my prom dress on, and then I answered the phone. He said, I know what to do, I'm down with the flu. Through the tears I saw my dad in a brand new suit he had. He winked and took my hand, said, Daddy can fix it. Daddy, you can do anything, you're the king. You can fly, you can swing me way up high. You can conquer the world with your smile. Yes, you can. No matter what goes wrong, never alone. 'Cause Daddy can fix it. He took off his wedding band and put it in my hand. He said, there's no need to cry, we gave it our best try. With a loving hand, my dad took him aside. He said, you haven't even begun to try. You're the daddy now, boy, go and fix it.